ManagePlus is a workspace for your marketing and sales team. It has 3 products named Social Media Studio, Email Studio, and Sales CRM, and you get all 3 products under the same subscription. ManagePlus offers a flat per business pricing, so you don't have to pay per sheet to onboard your marketing and sales team. Let's dive into the details of each product. Social Media Studio helps with managing your social media content calendar. You can connect all your social media profiles and automate publishing there. ManagePlus supports publishing and scheduling on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google Business Profile, and YouTube. You can publish simple posts, short videos, polls, PDFs, and long videos on all platforms. This helps your business stay consistent in posting, gives your brand greater visibility, and reduces the daily hassle of manually posting content across all the profiles. If you're working with a team, you can utilize an inbuilt task board to assign tasks and monitor progress. In a single view, you get a gist of every task's progress so you and your team won't miss something. You can define your own task flow pipeline and task auto-assignment rules, so the tasks are automatically assigned and notified to the respecting member. You can save all your brand media and marketing resources in the gallery section so your team can find and use them easily. On the account setting page, you can see all the connected accounts and related settings. Let's explore the next product, Email Studio. Email Studio helps you with your email marketing campaigns. With Email Studio, you can do cold email campaigns, drip campaigns, and newsletter campaigns. To get started, connect all your email accounts in the Senders section. You can use your existing Google Workspace email or connect to any other email service using SMTP details. There's no limitation on the number of email accounts that you connect. Let's explore how to set up a cold email campaign. Open the Campaigns section. Click on Create Campaigns. Add your sender accounts. Select a start date, days, and email time, and then select how many new prospects you want to add to the campaign every day. To avoid domain overuse, we've set a daily limit of 100 and send an email every 3 to 6 minutes. Next, go to the Campaign Members section and add prospects there. You can add members manually or upload Excel for bulk import. You can also use a previously imported contact list from your segmentation list section. After this, we can create a multi-step email sequence. In this case, we've created a 5-step email sequence with different wait times in between. You can add personalization in subject line and email copy to improve your open rate. You can also use spin text to improve email inbox placement. Under the Activity tab, you can see all the activities like email send, open, click, and prospect website visits. You can apply filters to focus on specific activities too. The Analytics tab gives you a clear overview of how your campaign is performing. You can see the number of emails sent, opened, clicked, and replied. You can check individual email performance too. If you want to run drip campaigns, you can set a conditional email sequence based on condition check options based on email activities, website activities, and value saved in contacts data. You can also do automated actions like assigning contacts to a different email sequence, updating data points or tags, etc. Let's explore our next product, the Sales CRM. Sales CRM enables you to manage your different contact types, accounts, deals, interaction logs, and email inboxes in one place. You can use it to manage all types of contacts like prospects, leads, and customers. Additionally, you can define your custom contact type as per your needs. You can save all information about your contacts here, including their company details, social media profiles, or any other custom data field. ManagePlus gives you a 360-degree view of your contact. You can see information like company details, every conversation and activity log, attachments, and personal notes in a single view. You can just click on email and send email to your contacts without leaving your CRM. In the Account section, you can keep all information about your accounts, including its team, industry, website, and every interaction log with their team. Using these 3 products, you can maximize your team performance without burning your resources with unnecessarily expensive and segregated tools. Thanks for watching.